Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Can I Canada Knowledge Quest? Today we have these two questions to solve on trigonometric identity. So basically, how we can solve this first one? What we can do first is say solution. Now we could take the LCM of this. When we are told to prove something, this kind of identities, all we could just do, we could simplify the left hand side of this equation, try to make it look exactly like this. So by simplifying it and take the LCM of the this one, so the LCM will be, which is the lowest common multiple, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Now, so if this divides this, we're going to be left with 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta plus, if this divide this, we'll be left with 1 minus cos theta times 1 is the same thing. 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so we're left with, you can see that this can cancel this. Plus cos theta minus cos theta, it cancels out. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2 over, so we can expand this bracket by multiplying out. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times cos theta is what? Plus cos theta minus 1 times cos theta is what? Minus cos sin theta. Then minus cos theta plus cos theta is what? Minus cos squared theta. So we can see that minus plus and plus minus cos plus cos theta minus theta can cancel out. So we're left with what? 2 over 1 minus cos squared theta. Now, we know from the fundamental trigonometric identity that what? Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is what? 1. So if we make sine squared theta subject of formula, we have sine squared theta equal to what? 1 minus cos squared theta. So we can simply replace this with what? This. So we have 2 over what? Sine squared theta. Now what can we do next? We can bring out these two outside and say 2 into what? 1 over what? Sine squared theta. Now, what can we do next that can make this thing look in this form? We know that the reciprocal of sine is what? Cosec. Or we have in our previous video we showed that 1 over sine theta is what? Cosec theta. 1 over cos theta is what? Secant of theta. Then 1 over tan theta is what? Cotangent of what? Theta. These are called reciprocal of the basic trigonometric ratios. So if we replace this with cosec theta, what do we have? We have 2 into what? Cosec squared of theta. And this will be our final answer. As you can see, they are the same thing. So we're able to prove the first one. So we're going to try to solve the second one to see if we can get the same thing. Let's clean here. Mhm. Okay, now in solving this second one, say solution. Now what do we do now? Tan theta is the same as sine theta over cos theta, right? From the trigonometry. Okay, plus cotangent of theta is what? Which I just wrote here, is 1 over what? Oh, sorry. We know that cotangent of theta is what? 1 over what? Tangent of theta. But tangent of theta is what? Sine theta over cos theta. So if you take the reciprocal of this one, it means that you have to also invert this one too. So which is what? Cos theta over sine theta. Hope you follow what I'm doing. We have cot theta here. We know that this is the reciprocal of the sine of this, the tan of this angle. So if we take the inverse of this one, and we know that tan theta, the tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. So we'll now take the inverse of this, which is, we have this. So what do we do next? We can simplify this by taking the LCM. The LCM is cos theta sine theta. Now, we can now divide, right? Cos theta divided by cos theta sine theta divided by cos theta, we're left with sine theta. So when we multiply it with this, we have sine square theta plus this can go with this. We're left with cos theta times cos theta is what? Cos squared theta. Now, we have sine theta squared plus cos theta squared. We know from basic trigonometric identity, which we in our previous video, we know this is 1 over what? Cos theta sine theta. Okay. Now, I wrote some of the inverse reciprocal of trigonometric ratios. So we know that sine 1 over sine theta is what? Cosec of theta. And 1 over cos theta is what? Secant of what? Theta. So we can just replace this with this and split it out 1 over. So we have 1 over cos theta into 1 over sine theta. So 1 over cos theta is what? Sec theta. 1 over sine theta is what? Cosec of theta. And that proves our answer. So we can see we have arrived at the same thing. So basically, as I've said before, it's just to try to find a way to simplify your left hand side so that it tries to look like this using the either of this inverse reciprocal of trigonometric ratios. 1 over tan theta, which is a cotangent of theta. Then the last one you can use is tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. So these are the basic things you can use to solve any trigonometric identity. So if you found this video useful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, follow our pages, like, share to your friends for more beautiful content. Thanks for watching. Bye.